Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion Weekers YouTube channel. Today we're here in SeaWorld Orlando, and today we're gonna go around and feed all the animals that they let us feed. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure to stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like I said, we are here in the good old SeaWorld Orlando today. Super excited. You guys know we love the animals here on this channel, so with that, we're gonna go feed all the animals, all the buddies.
Yeah, so there are 3 different feeding experiences that you can do here: sharks, rays, and of course the sea lions. So we're gonna go do all of them, and then at the end, we'll tell you which one is best, where to spend your money. Yes.
So, that being said, we're over here at the shark encounter, and we're gonna go check out those guys right now. Let's go.
Tell me about it.
So apparently we're 5 minutes too late and there's no more fish and they're closed for the day. So I can't feed no sharks. But I'll try to find some footage of previous times when we've done it. It's a pretty cool thing to do. So you really just drop the fish in. Sometimes they eat it. Most times they don't, but sharks. And there's stingrays in here too.
1 tray for $9 plus tax. All right, so Christine got her tray of anchovies. She's ready to feed some sharks. So there's $9 per tray normally, but with the pass holder discount, we got them for $6.
Yes, let's go feed some buddies.
Yeah, look at that giant sea ravioli. That thing is huge.
Sea raviolis.
All right, but yeah, we found these are white tip reef sharks. So these are where we're gonna feed. There's one flying by right now.
I forgot part of feeding them is touching the fish. I don't like this part. All right. I literally threw it right to you. You weren't interested. Hey, that shark just scratched his back. Nobody's interested in that. Oh, the fish got it.
Here comes this giant. So drop it there in front of the shark. They're scared of them.
Oh.
Rays didn't even bother eating it. Food's just laying on the bottom of the tank. Nobody seems to care. Oh yeah, so you got a black tip reef shark, some tarpon down there, and some rays. Obviously, everybody wants to feed the sharks when they're here. I will say that this is probably the most underwhelming animal feeding available here at SeaWorld, because once you toss the food in there, they don't really seem to ever want it. It oftentimes just floats there, and maybe 5 minutes later something else will come and like scoop it up, but almost none of the animals in here are ever hungry.
I still wanted to try though.
It is fun to come and watch, and you get some good shark viewing. I mean, there's a little bamboo shark. You know, it's fun just to watch. I mean, I personally like the black tip reef sharks. I think those are a lot of fun.
I'm gonna go find the leopard ray. He's my favorite.
But as a consolation, we will go inside the shark exhibit, which is a ton of fun. You get to walk in there and see all kinds of big sharks in there. So let's go check that out. All right, so what you got?
Here's my favorite leopard stingray.
Yeah, so this thing is like the size of, I don't know.
It's a Volkswagen bus.
I was gonna say like a rug, like a living room rug. Maybe not quite that big, but huge. Absolutely massive.
Okay, we're gonna use my buddy the hammerheads. Let's go. Here we go. So I always like how the bull shark looks super duper friendly, and they're not. But then you come over here to the spear tooth shark, and he looks like he'll kill you. Because they're angry, buddy. Here we go. We're gonna go see the big old shark buddies. Yay!
The hammerhead right there.
Oh wow. Buddies. Hey, bro. Yeah, Lewis doing the moonwalk.
Whoa, look at this guy.
Hi. Hello. He's keeping up with us. He's going fast too. Oh, look at this guy. He looks like he needs a toothbrush. Looking very angry with all of his teeth.
That must be one of those spear tooth sharks, huh?
Yeah. Look at the hammy. Oh, they have a whole toolbox. 2 and 2. Oh, here we go. Guys going fast. Going so fast. He's gonna catch up. Oh no! Shark attack! And they're all coming for you. Hey, look at these guys. Oh, he's wow.
Look how wide his head is.
I know, he's big boys. Hey, bro. Bye, bro. Bye, bros. Bye, bros. Wow. Look at all them teeth. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, that's always neat. It's a neat attraction.
Yeah.
Get to see the underwater view of the sharks.
Yeah. So is that preparing you for anything we're going to do later this year?
I don't know about we. Somebody wants to go swimming with sharks. We'll see.
So a few weeks ago, we announced that we were going to go to Africa later this year. And one of the things I want to do, and it's been on the bucket list for a long time, is to cage dive with great white sharks.
So, yeah, we'll see. I don't know what season it is or anything, but yeah.
He's trying so hard to talk me out of it. But we're going to do it. Well, the shark place was a letdown. Not my favorite place in all of SeaWorld. Pacific Point Preserve. We're going to go feed our sea lion and our harbor store buddies. Give me that. Look at those guys. No, buddies. Look at all them fish.
Okay. So each month, as part of our Platinum Pass, we do get several benefits. This month, it's $10 SeaWorld bucks to spend on anything you want to in the park. And they also have free feeding trays. So we combined our $10 to get $20 off of these feeding trays, added an additional feeding tray because we were going to spend that on the sharks. So you can see which one is going to be our favorite by the quantity of trays that we have. We have 5 trays. This is Christine's favorite thing. She has threatened several times to empty out her 401k just to stand here and feed the sea lions all day long.
There would not be a hungry sea lion here.
They would, I don't know if they would eventually be like, I'm full. Get this crazy lady out of here.
All right, listen, you bird. You go somewhere else. Ready? Ready? You need to go somewhere else. All right, I'm gonna try the harbor seal right here. Ready? I'm gonna try the harbor seal. Ready? I think you got it. I think you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna try? So here they only give you 3 fish per container. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. I only have 15 fish.
Only 15.
Only 15s. That's not enough, guys.
All right, so all the seals are out today. Of course, I like the sea lions because they're like obnoxious. But Christine likes the seals because they shake. Like that one. You just let the fish hit him in the head.
Kind of like Liberty.
See, they
Kind of like Liberty.
They like splash and they wave. That one there is like, over here, bud. I am super hungry.
All right. There you go. Oh, you just drowned your brother.
Throw another one back quickly.
Okay, ready?
Toss it in the back there so only he can get it. There he goes.
All right, I'm gonna try this guy right here, and then I'll give you the fish. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you're learning to growl too.
He's snarling.
There you go. Oh.
Did you see this one pounding the water?
Yeah, I smacked it, smacking the waters. That's why I like them, because they're like, hey, lady, pick me. All right, your turn.
This guy here, right here, bud, right here.
It's looking and it's so sad.
Oh, you missed it.
I've been watching it.
Yeah.
These are getting all of it.
Okay, I'll feed that guy. Okay, yes, I will.
I feel so sorry for
I will totally feed that guy.
Why?
The lady said all these were getting the fish, but this guy hasn't gotten a single one. All right, I'm gonna feed this guy, and then I'll give you the rest of the fish. He looks so sad, this little eyes.
So that's the one that's not getting any fish.
Don't you try it, bro. Here you go. There you go. Yeah, you did it. He's so hungry.
He's not begging.
Yeah, he's not loud enough. All right, your turn.
He's trying so hard to get here. Thanks for the fish. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You gonna try again?
Yeah. You want to toss one like way up high and way back there to see what happens?
Yeah.
Oh, big dude's like, I'm off. I'm on
That's
it.
mine.
I'm on it. I got it.
Look at the little guy. He's a little buddy.
Over here. This guy over here has been making some funny noises.
Okay.
I'll feed him. Ah! Ah!
You were 2 for 2 with the birds, bro.
After all that screaming, he just let it fall.
Yeah. All right, you got 3 fishies left.
I'm done. That's all you.
No, you feed the fish.
I fed him already.
You sure? I feed the rest of them?
Yeah.
Would you like a fish? All right. Here you go.
Look how majestic a mustache he has.
I know. What a distinguished gentleman. Oh, you're... Oh, all right. Ready? You want it? Here you go. Good
Put
job.
the fish in the fish hole, lady.
Give me the fish. Ready? Good job.
You gotta pick a deserving seal, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna try this buddy again because he's only got one fish. He's hungry.
All right.
All right, listen, bro. I'm gonna throw it to you. Please catch it, okay? I don't want your bird friend to get it. Yay! Good job.
All right.
We're little buddies. I gotta wash my hands now.
It's 15 fish.
Yes, I love that. It's a favorite thing to do. Highly recommend.
So what are we gonna do next?
Oh, so we're gonna go to the Key West portion of the park and go feed stingers.
All right, and we've come to our final animal feeding spot of the day, Stingray Lagoon.
Yes, we're gonna feed the stingray buddies. Let's go.
All right, so Christine's got her tray.
That's how you hold it. That's how you hold it. Ready?
All right, so you grab your little shrimp here, hold it like a cigarette.
Yeah.
Stick it under the water.
I want to know nothing about no cigarettes. Look at all them stingrays. All right, ready?
All right, let's see it. So lots of stingrays here. They come along and they just suck it right up like a vacuum.
Yeah, just like a vacuum. Just like a vacuum.
And you see when they come along, they like the front of them opens up. That's not actually their mouth. That's like their gills or something.
Yeah.
So their mouth is actually underneath. So they actually got to go over your hand before they get it.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's like a vacuum. It's really what it feels like. You want to do it?
No, it's all right.
You don't want to do it? Why not?
Because I don't want to wash my hands. I don't want to go through the trouble of washing my hands. I've fed the stingrays before. One other interesting thing, though, at least about feeding stingrays here, is that if you don't want to pay the money to feed the stingrays, you can't actually just come and pet them. So use 2 fingers, pet them where they tell you to pet them. Different stingrays, it tells you to pet different spots. I think here it's just like their flappy parts. Stay away from the center. They did remove all the barbs, though, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck.
Oh, yeah. It's like a big suction cup. Yep.
All right, last one.
Last one. That's big shrimpies.
They came right for it. Made a U-turn.
Yeah.
Detour. Now, that's a big one coming at you.
Yeah. All right, hot take. It's almost as much fun as feeding the seals.
You think so?
Yeah, almost.
All right, guys, so we had a fantastic day here feeding all the animals. So in lieu of pro tips today, Christine is actually going to be ranking the 3 feeding experiences. So let's hear what she has to say and how she ranked them.
All right, guys, so hot take. Coming in at number 3, the sharks. Not that the sharks aren't a fun experience, but they just don't seem to have the same excitement that the other animals do. So, but if sharks are your thing, or if, checking out the big tarpon or everything, definitely go and do the shark encounter feeding thing over there. Footage from before was from when we did it previously because we couldn't feed them today. Coming in at number 2, controversial opinion, but the stingrays, right? And here's why. Stingrays, you get 5 pieces of shrimp for the price, which is a better deal than anything else. That being said, you can actually feed them, like put your hand in the water, kind of cool off for a second, you also can pet them. So that was pretty exciting. So make sure you wash your hands really good. But coming in number 1, shocker to no one, is feeding the sea lions and the harbor seals. Because those guys are fun. They're obnoxious, they're cute, they're cuddly, they got big eyes, and they really value the fish. So there you go.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. And with that being said, we're out of here. And we'll see you next weekend.
Bye!
Now, you ready?
Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are 3 different feeding...
Hang on. All right, so up next we're going to head over to the Key West area of SeaWorld, and maybe we can go feed those stingrays.
That's not true. None of that's true.
Oh.
As I mentioned, there's a consolation prize. I already told them there's a consolation prize. We're going to go inside and check out the sharks. Wait. So the sea lion here?
No, that's a sea lion. That's a harbor seal.
All right, and we've come to our final animal feeding spot of the day, Stingray Lagoon, where Christine's going to look at her boobs.
I feed them. All right, guys, that's gonna do our. That's it. That's our video today, and that's all I got. So I don't know how to do the outro.